Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off location tracking on Google account in PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and then you want to turn off your tracking location on your Google account, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just select your Google account. And here, just click on your Google account or your profile photo here. Click on manage your Google account. And here, just scroll down and look for data and privacy option. Select this. Now scroll down and you will see the option of timeline. As you can see, it's a location tracking on in timeline feature. You just have to select this. Just scroll down and you will see the option of turn off. Just click on it and then click on turn off. If you want to only turn off the service, you can click on turn off. Or if you want to delete your previous activity and turn it off, so click the second option. So I'm gonna select the second option here. Just click on next and then click on delete. So it will delete your previous activity and it will turn off your timeline or your location tracking. So in this way you can easily delete and turn off your location tracking on your Google account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.